Queens and Kings, welcome back, and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. And if you are new, my name is Valerie. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I like to say hello and happy new year to you all. Yes, I know it's been a minute since I did any type of upload. I let you guys know that I wasn't feeling well, which was that my body had really just broke down. Like, so basically I needed that rest, because you guys know I'm a full-time mom. I work full-time, which is at nighttime, and I do YouTube twice out the week, every Tuesday and Saturday. So if you're new, yes. But I had took a break all because I'm doing the wedding as well, and I was uploading constantly also, and then sometimes I will upload on random days. Most likely probably be a Thursday if I upload, and I call those bonus videos or whatever. But yeah, so I am back. I'm refreshed, as you guys can see. I told you guys I'm going to try to do more of this, start playing more into my makeup. And if you guys like to see this look, just let me know. I was doing some practicing or whatever. But yeah, so happy New Year's, happy New Year's, happy New Year's. I love you guys. I miss you guys. I just want to come in and do a little cute little intro or whatever, show my face for 2018. So I'm going to try to do more intros like this in the beginning of my videos, other than the one that I automatically put up. But who knows, I may just do both. It doesn't matter. But yeah, I just want to come in and just talk to you guys for a little moment. And if you're new to my channel, like I said before, welcome. And you know, if this is one of your very first videos, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because I guarantee you're gonna like my content. You're gonna like other videos that I do, that I upload. I do hauls, I do home decor, I do DIYs, do revamps, I do clean with me's. I maybe start doing little tutorials or makeup tutorials. Don't know, it could be out there, you know, if you guys request it or whatever. But that's a shell that I have to come out of. I'm not used to doing that on camera. You know, we have some critics here, and I don't want the gurus to come after me. But yes, so but today I will be continuing my DIY bride series, which I think this will be the very last video, because at this moment I am 14 days away. Yes, yesterday was the 15th. Well, yesterday was the 5th, so today is the 6th. So yeah, I am 14 days away before I walk down the aisle again with my hubby, which if you guys don't know, we've been together 4.5 years, and we've been married 2.5 so far. So but this is the day that I will, this moment here is where I basically do the big wedding, because we didn't do that. We went to the courthouse because we was with child, and I didn't want to walk down the aisle pregnant. So yeah, but I miss you guys. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, please stick around. And all to my old queens and kings, hey loves, I love you guys. And if you guys like to see the new video that I'm about to put up, which is my DIY Beauty and the Beast flower dome or whatever up under the glass. So if you guys like to see how this video come out and what I do, please continue to watch. Bye. Okay, so here with the foam, I have already spray painted in everything outside, and all I'm going to do is take some of this hot glue, put a dab of that down, and put my bling wrap around. I'm going to wrap my bling wrap around, which I did also cut and measure it off camera. And all I'm doing is just placing some hot glue down just to stick the bling wrap around, just to put a little more pizzazz to the foam or whatever, so it don't look so plain after I done spray painted with some gold spray paint that I purchased from Walmart. And I'm just going to continue doing this till I get the desired look that I want, until I get to the finish here. So this is how it look, and as you can see, I have already placed a hole in there, which that's basically where my rose is going to be, which I purchased this rose from Michael's, which I showed you guys in the haul. I just cut it down, and here I'm just going to cut some more of the leaves off because I feel like they hide in the stem and hide in the beautiness of this rose here. This rose is so gorgeous. I really do love it. But all I'm going to do is just place that rose back into that little hole that I did off camera with it, just to stand it up. And I'm going to use my hot glue to fill in the hole just to keep the rose standing still or whatever. But I'm going to hold it and shape it until the hot glue actually dries up. So now that it did that, it all dried up. So that's how it looks. So now I'm going to take my LED lights, which I purchased these from Dollar Tree. And back here, I'm showing you guys where I overlap the bling wrap. That's basically where I'm going to place the battery of the LED lights. I'm going to glue that back there. You'll see that once I do that. But here, I'm just taking the LED lights and I'm just wrapping around the rose. Try not to wrap up my leaves there, but yeah. And I'm just going to continue just wrapping it around the rose until I get the desired look that I want. But so now you see that I'm just placing some hot glue on that battery pack, and I'm going to place it right there in the back there where the bling wrap overlaps at, just to hide it some. And I'm still just playing with the wire here, just trying to make sure I lay them down so I'll be able to hide them once I get ready to place the fallen leaves from the, not the leaves, the petals from the rose, in which this is just an extra flower, and I'm just cutting the petals and stuff just to place it down to give it more of the realistic look and everything, you know, like the leaves, the petals had fell off the rose or whatever, and then just try to hide some of the wire or whatever from the LED light. This is how it's looking so far, looking all cute and gorgeous. I really do love the way that this turned out. And here is the finished effect. Now that I have just placed the dome on top of it, the clutch or whatever on top of it and all, which I purchased from Michael's a while back, but I love the way that it's looked. It looked very gorgeous. Look, it gave me that Beauty and the Beast vibe of what I was going for. So if you queens and kings enjoyed this little simple DIY in this series, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and share, as well as subscribe if you are new to the channel, to the castle, or whatever. So I will see you queens and kings in the next video. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.